231 Weibo.
So guys, this part right here, we're gonna do our measurements. So you want loves, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little DIY. I'm heading right now to Joann's Fiber to get some fabrics, fox fur to do the stool. So a little DIY. Enjoy guys. Right now we're heading in there to check it out, see what they got. You know, I tried ordering it online, but I wasn't too sure, so I went in the store. So that's the first start.
Baby, oh, let me sing to ya. Like, baby, oh, yeah. Bite you, bite you, bite you. The home already bless you.
I'm gonna get the hot pink. I see one over here for 89 cents a yard. Ooh, they got the orange, they got the red. I want to go try it for the first time and see if I can make this shirt. This one is $1.99 a yard. I don't see the difference. As you can see guys, I was all over the store trying to look for the fabric, and this lady came up, she helped me, and I got the exact one I wanted. So the next stop will be the Home Depot. We have to get the stapler and the thing. It's not a regular stapler, you guys gonna see. So I went in the Home Depot and I asked somebody where could I find it, and they sent me exactly to where it was at. So you guys watch. So guys, this is the exact one I was looking for. It's called Arrow and it's J something. I look on it. It's only $9 and change, guys. And the other one is $2 and change, the stapler. So I'm just sitting right on the living room floor and about to do this project real quick. So this is the before. So I left these rusty legs. I was gonna spray pin them, but they matches the vanity set very well. So this is what we're dealing with today, guys. So guys, I'm gonna be working with this tool right here. This baby right here. I'm gonna do our measurements. So you want to like overlap it. You don't want to make it too like, you know, you want to leave some room out so you can be able to tuck it under. Okay, so you measure it from side to side, and then I would just like fold it. Okay.
See a nigga we are like said, man, don't make fun. You don't make fun. See a nigga we are like said, so don't make fun. You don't make fun. See a nigga we are like said, man, don't make fun. You don't make fun. See a nigga we are like said, so don't make fun. So don't make fun. Madam, I need to get spoiling. When I put 3 days in my phone for your been a whole day, I just calling. Girl, I didn't know them be talking. See the thing that I stop by, you know it will answer that sound no parting. I used to be papa ratting, but since you came into my life on the street this time, I can look just a petty. Body rap just a plenty. And I had to make it listen me, I had to make it business, not the only take up panty. Queen like my sister Marty, woman fan like Bugatti. Anytime when
So guys, I had a little struggle putting this in. I was doing it the wrong way. So when you get your gun or your stapler, I was putting it in this way, like right here. This thing comes from in here. See that? So you get it like this, squeeze the 2 ends, pull it out. I was putting it in this way, trying to push it, can't go. So I finally got to get it going. So you gotta pull it out, turn them around, drop them right in here, and voila, we good to go. Okay, all set.
see how I can think about my pro rest in peace ball party. Woman clean yeah the cotton. When I saw her to the mall by the nigga with she dread in my back was just flashing. Yeah, that day was exciting. Ring a neck open tea by the only thing of Fred that they could look why it track me.
I'm done doing one side of it. All perfectly done. So this is it right here, guys. All this part right here, like, see that? It has to go on the board. So when you pull it, you get your stapler. You gotta hold it with one hand, but I'm holding the camera with one hand, and then I'm doing it with one hand. So, see that? It's so easy. So now it's all secure. Everything is secure. I'm gonna flip our stool and see what we got. Okay. Voila. From cheap to chic, guys. Look at that. See all those furry rugs, stools you see over in Ross and stuff like that. Like, this is yours right here on a budget. I'm loving it, guys. Let's see how it look in the dressing room. Okay. So my loves, I got the finished product for you guys. Voila. Yes. Got the stool. It's the finished product, guys.
Figgin', c'est le woman là les figgin'. Nigga we are les say man on me phone. Tu dois me phone, see nigga we are.
And I got the dresser. It's a little messy, guys. I don't want to show myself too much. Hi, hello, how you doing? But anyways, you guys remember that vanity set that I did was a revamp. I can't wait to show you guys the finish of the dressing room. So guys, that's it right there. Enjoy. Do your DIY. Show me what you did with your old stool, or what kind of revamp you learned. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it rusty. The reason why I left it rusty, because as you can see over here, we have rusty. So yeah, just so it match.
Tu dois me phone, see nigga we are les say so don't me phone. Tu dois me phone, see nigga we are les say man.